I'm sure you filled an online form, you subscribe to an online service, or you've signed up to an email service as well. Yes, I'm sure you've been asked to provide some data about yourself. And I'm sure you've been wondering what that data is going to be used for. That's why you're here. You're welcome to the Strategy Data Glossary series. We'll be breaking down basic concepts in the data definitions, and we'll be trying to make you understand them. My name is Anakwame. I'm an analyst, and I'll be doing this with you. So for today, we'll be looking at data processing. We'll be looking at processing in general. Processing refers to every single thing, every detail that is done to data in the process of the data pipeline. So it involves collecting data, it involves storing data, it involves using data, it involves sharing data, and it involves even deleting data. So let's say you sign up for an online form, your data is collected, you fill the form with your name, your email, your contacts, and all of that. That's the collection process. Now, your data would have to be stored into a database, whether it is physical or an online database, it will have to be stored. Then after storing, it will have to be used. That is the purpose for which you are signing on for it. Your data would have to be used. At certain points, your data would have to be shared. We'll look at other elements of sharing data in subsequent videos, but your data would have to be shared. After sharing your data, if they are done using it, they can decide to still store it or they'll have to delete it. The deletion process is also part of the data processing entire process. When you're filling a form, you'll not be too worried about what you're going to use your data for, what's going to be done to it, and who's even going to keep it. Everyone knows what exactly to do with each data. In subsequent videos, we'll be looking at certain terms like consent and even terms like data storage. My name is Anakwame once again. If you found this helpful, click subscribe, like our page, drop a comment, and follow our content for more. This is the Strategy Data Glossary series, and keep tuned.